Happy New Year, guys. Kamura murama mtire. Hope nuchako higa maber. Napenda chake maber and everybody. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Worodur and this is our media. As you all know, I support Tusker FC. I support Arsenal. I support Real Madrid. Forget about this team here. I don't support Barcelona. I support Arsenal, Real Madrid and Tusker FC in Kenya. Guys, hope you guys are doing good, and today I want to talk about AFCON. By the way, AFCON Kenya Premier League inaendelea vizuri sana, and as I talk now, FC Leopard is leading Nairobi United 1-0, and yesterday Gor ilichapa timu ya Kariobangi 4-1. Currently, FC Leopard is topping the league. Tusker is there. Gor Mahia is there. The league is still tough, and let's wait and see what next. Another thing, I wish all the best. Austin Odhiambo getting a new place. Please, guys, we wish you all the best, Austin. Guys, AFCON imefika quarters. Imagine tuko quarters na Cameroon wako na Morocco. And you all know that Morocco is the one hosting AFCON. Egypt wako na Ivory Coast. Nigeria, Algeria, Senegal and Mali. As you all know, me I support Ivory Coast and I will love them to defend their cup. Kama si Ivory Coast isikuwe Nigeria. I don't like Nigerians. No, I don't like that country. So, for me and my family, we are supporting Ivory Coast, and I hope Ivory Coast will do something good. Nataka tu Ivory Coast ishinde. Ichape Egypt. Itakuwa ngumu, but let's wait and see. Ivory Coast, Egypt, Nigeria, wako pale na Algeria. You get that? We have Morocco, Cameroon, and Senegal and Mali. Wewe unaona nani wakifika semis? Mimi najua Ivory Coast, Morocco, Algeria, and Ivory Coast, and Senegal. Yes, Senegal, Morocco, Algeria, and Ivory Coast wanafika pale semis, and the winner, I'm praying for Ivory Coast to win, to defend their cup. Apart from that, forget about AFCON. English Premier League, jana ilichezwa. Mimi naona West Ham ikienda relegation, and it's sad, very 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 sad. Kama team like West Ham inaweza enda relegation, itakuwa mbaya sana. And sasa atatoa nani pale? Leeds, currently Leeds is doing good. Leeds is playing a nice football. Sunderland is way far from relegation. So my second team in EPL, Wolves, is down the bay. They got first win kupiga West Ham 3-0. Na hii West Ham shida yao ni nini, by the way? Nuno Espirito, nasikia rumors Nuno alitolewa Nottingham Forest, akatolewa Wolves. Saizi naona kama pale West Ham ni kama atatoka hivi karibuni. The likes of Amorim is gone, Maresca is gone, Chelsea has a new coach, Liam. But mimi kivyangu naona Liam ni mtoto mdogo. I doubt kama alikuwa mtoto wa Rooney na wakapeleka Derby relegation bwana. What will he do there? Let's wait and see. Today's fixtures, Chelsea watacheza na Fulham. Pale naona pale Crystal Palace na Aston Villa, Manchester City, Brighton. Ni mnaonanga tu. Ni mnaona tu. Mnaona tu. Tottenham naona pale wasipochunga tu kidogo tena Bournemouth. Naona Bournemouth ikipika tu. I don't know what's wrong with Tottenham too. I don't know what's wrong with other teams. Game kubwa itakuwa kesho. Arsenal wakicheza na Liverpool, and nimesikia wakiongea ligi ishindwe Januari. We are okay with it. We are just enjoying our football. Hizo vitu zingine, forget about it. And as you all know, ligi ndio imeanza and second leg imeanza. Arsenal is topping the league na 48 points, followed by Manchester City 42, Aston Villa 42, goal difference mingi sana 26 and 6. Hiyo ni mingi. Number 4 pala ni Liverpool. Imagine walidraw the last night na Fulham. Number 4, 5 Chelsea, Manchester United wanafuatana pale. Si rahisi. Crystal Palace pia wamesema tu this time round wanapigwa vibaya. Oliver, nasikia Ole Gunnar Solskjaer anataka kurudi ile timu yake ya kitambo ya Manchester United. Let's wait and see. Thank you guys, and that's all for today. Happy New Year, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awur Media. And guys, thank you and bye.